1957 Chevy Belair with the high horse dual carb 283, 270, 3-speed, close ratio box, matching numbers, totally correct High Point Chevy Classic awards several times, best of show, about as high as you can get. Yes, there's an original Velcro battery for showtime. Look closely at all the detail, the hardware, the fit and finish everywhere. I'll close the hood carefully. Okay, I'll look at the hood gaps, check out the T3 headlights. Has the correct wiper arms. Okay, I'll show you the gas door too, so you can see that in there, the detail. If you've judged at any Chevy Classic show, you might recognize this car. Very well done. Even has the original straps, handheld hold straps for getting in and out of the back seat. How about getting in it and driving it into the garage for me so we can hear it run? Yeah, whenever you're ready.